Hey Gold Club, it's me, Mr. Scott. Sorry I can't be with you guys. I have to go to some appointments on club day. So just make sure you're following whoever is leading club day today. Um, Also, just know I was hoping to bring my pans and go out with you guys, but unfortunately that didn't happen. Practice when you get home, just get a bowl. You know, this is the pan you want, a roll pan. But just practice putting dirt in there, shaking it, stratifying it. You know, I'll send some videos for you guys to watch. Okay. All right, stratifying it, pouring it down a little bit off the big, off the big one. Pour it down a little bit. Go and put water back in there. Do it a couple times and then putting it back into the bucket. Okay. So I'm gonna go with what you kind of need at home to practice. All right. You can get you one of these off of Amazon. Okay. All right. Get you a 5-gallon bucket from Lowe's. Get you a little bit of Jet Dry. All right. So what Jet Dry does is help with the fine particles and keeps the gold down and the sand goes up. All right. So you can just do that and practice panning. Use a swish motion. All right. Stratify. Okay. You also want to, for now, you can get a little kit and it'll just come with this little guy, but I do have a 1/2. I think this was a 1/4 and then an 1/8, and they stack on top of each other. All right, you can stick these straight on a 5-gallon just to dump. And then I use this for the finer stuff. As you can see, I already got a little bit of sand in my bucket. So what I'll do is put some water in here and I'll get the black sands in there. Okay, so we'll work on this next time. Just practice, get you some buckets. You can even do it with a little bowl, a little plastic bowl, just to practice. Okay, get in there and practice. When you get these, make sure you sand them down. Okay, get all that oil off, and then just stick them in some dirt for a little bit. Kind of just get them rough. All right. Again, I'm sorry I can't be there. I'll send some videos, and this will be in my email. I'll send you guys an email of this. All right. Thanks, guys.